In this video, we'll be talking about how to reverse the string in a Python. So this is the first method. What here the string is morning. So before reversing the string, I'm printing a statement to check before reversing the string what is the string. So here str it displays the morning. Again I'm displaying one more print statement saying that after reversing the string whether it is true. So this is the logic here which reverses the string str (1 bracket close bracket double colon -1). This is the logic which completely reverses the string, that is morning will be reversed. There's one more method. Directly string will be assigned here. This is the string you are assigning 7788. You are assigning this string and directly append the double colon -1 to this string only. Then print the str1, it will print in a reverse format. Now let's see. Let's run and see. Okay, so first was the before reversing the string, what is that? It is the morning. Okay, and after reversing the string, so it is completely reverse. See here GNINGNINROM in a reverse. So here what is the str1? str1 was the assigned the string 7788. It is after reversing that it became 8877. We will see other method. This is the method. This second method using the while loop to reverse a string. This is the string is saying that hello. Hello is assigned to the variable str. Now here we are taking the length and then we are taking the length of this str. Whether we are checking length is greater than 0. The length value is stored in I. We are checking I is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then what it does is reverse string, then last variable, that is O, is assigned to the reverse str in this. So again the I value is decremented by 1 and goes back here. It checks whether I is greater than 0 or not. The length was decremented by 1. It is again checked. If it is greater than 0, again it comes here, and the last index, that is the L, is appended here. Similarly it completely iterate through this loop till the I is greater than 0 becomes false. Once it false, it comes out and it prints the reverse string, that is reverse string. See here you can see that output is OLLEH. The string was hello and the output is OLLEH. Now we will run and see how it displays. So this is the string. So what was the string? Our string was hello and the output is hello. You can say what is good night. You can say good night. If this is the string, see this is the string is reverse completely. We will see one more other method, that is reversed. There is an inbuilt method called the reverse in the Python. So reversed, what it does is it iterates through this string in a reverse format from the reverse order. So it iterates through the string in reverse order, and after it's done, the join, what it does is it will joins the reverse and this will be assigned to the variable. So you can say that print str, it prints the hello, that is the original string, and print rev str, that is the reverse string. Let's see whether it is doing or not. See the print str, it is printing the hello, that is the original one. Print reverse underscore str, it is printing the reverse string. You can see here OLLEH, that is the reverse of the hello. Oh, I think we have one more code. You can see, yeah, here we have one more way of finding the reverse of the string. Here user asks for the input, enter the string you want to reverse. That value is stored in the str. Here comes and reverse of the string. This is the function which is called, this is called with the value what was this stored in the str. This control, it goes here, and the reverse string, it is assigned a null value, and here we are taking index, that is nothing but index stores the length of this string. Whatever the user entered the string, you know, that string length is stored in the index. The next is, here it checks for whether index is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, then what it does is, it is last index, that is the last character of the string is taken and it is assigned to the reverse string. Similarly, then index will be decremented by 1, that is the length is decremented by 1. Again it goes back here while index is greater than 0. If it is true, it does the same thing. Last character is fetched and it is assigned here. Similarly, it does the same process till the index is greater than 0 condition false. Once this is false, it comes out and it prints the reverse str. That is this one. Now let's see, run it and see. Enter the string hello 1 2. See, hello 1 2 210LLEH. It displayed in a reverse format. See, there is a one more way. Reverse the string using the recursion. Reverse the string using recursion. Here user is, the hello is assigned to str, and here we are printing the original string is, that is the str hello, and we are printing the next reverse string, that is reverse of str. Reverse is a function here with the with the argument str. Finally reverse goes here and the argument hello is assigned here. It will check if the length of this str is exactly 0. If it is 0, it says that they return the string. It returns the string, whatever the string. If the length of str is not equal to 0, it comes here and it calculates, it calls the function reverse, that is str 1 colon means here str is 0 means h, 1 means e, 2 means l, 3 means l, 4 means o, means it starts from, the subscript starts from 0, that it is saying 1 colon means from e, l, l, o, e to end, that is this is the string and str 0, the h is assigned at the end. Similarly, when this recursively calls, this completely reversed. Now see, now run and see. The original string is hello and reverse string is OLLEH. What we can do is, we will add some value, append some value, and now run it. See, the original string is hello GD5, the reverse string is phi DGOLLEH. I hope you understood. I think we already did this, but still we did this, but now it is using the function, that's the reason. Okay, now using the function, how can you reverse a string? Here the original string I'm printing str, reverse string I'm printing 1, and I'm calling the function reverse str here, str this string. See, here user prompt for the input and that input is stored in the str. The string is, what it calls is, it calls the inbuilt method reversed on the string. This what it does is, it reverses the, it iterates through the string in a reverse order, and finally that reverse order is joined and stored in a variable string. That is the return, and whatever value is returned, because it's called from here, that will be printed. Now run and see. GFDS. So GFDS, the original string is GFDS and reverse string is SDFG. Thank you guys.